Tom from LifeFourPointZero. We were recently along the Corsica coast in a place called the Scandola Nature Reserve, and we did a lot of exploring around there and snorkeling with our friend Emmy. And I wanted to share with you a little video of some of the highlights of our trip there. Corsica is a wonderful country, and I recommend, if you're sailing the Mediterranean, to definitely check it out. And in particular, the Scandola Nature Reserve, very special place. So I hope you enjoy the video.